Today, I'm going to show you a free alternative to the Grok AI video generator. Let's dive straight into it. This is the free AI video tool we're going to use. You can visit it using the link in the description. This tool offers several free features, including text-to-video, image-to-video, reference-to-video, AI video editing, and more, all for free. I'll show you by generating a text-to-video. Here you can select your preferred style template. I'll go with cinematic. As you can see, it has already filled in the cinematic prompt. You can also enable multi-shot mode to create a scene-by-scene video. I'll skip multi-shot for now. Here, next to the cinematic prompt, simply paste your own prompt. You can also enter a negative prompt here if you want. Once you're done, click Generate. By the way, you can use these settings to get the best results by choosing your preferred duration and resolution. All right, the video is ready. As you can see, the video quality is amazing. Now, to download the video, simply click Download, and it will be saved to your device. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.